Hi, I'm going to show you flex strategy. So whenever you see any potential trade setup alert on the dashboard for flex strategy, and how you're going to analyze the market using this strategy and make sure you have a valid potential setup, and then you can trade. Right, let me go back to the dashboard. In dashboard you can see we had a potential trade setup alert here that the trend is going up in 15-minute time frame. Opportunity is buy and the strategy is a flex. Now I'm going back to the MT4. In MT4 you can see this is the flex strategy, and in this strategy there are three main core indicators. Number one is the flex trend, which basically tell us whether trend is up and down, and the red color is showing that trend is down and green is up. And flex trade, which basically green tell us that look for the long opportunities, and red is basically look for the short opportunity. And flex volume, red is trend is down, and green is trend basically strength is up. Okay, now once we got this alert here in this area, because we will get alert when this candle close. Okay, now so first of all you can see that the price is basically rejected in the daily pivot points, and you can see the price might go shoot up, but we have to make sure that we are right. So here in this candle, if I'm going to trade for buy, I have to make sure I should trade above this candle. So you can see there's no such sign the price is going above this candle. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to wait here and see what's going to be the reaction. So after closing this candle, I can see the price is not going high. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line here to here, this point, and I'll see if the price is going below this trend line, so it means the price is rejected. But as you see that the price is cross above this trend line. And second thing I'm going to see, is there any thing is stopping pricing to coming down. So I can see there is another element here. You can see this is one point, this you can see this is second point. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw another line here, and now I can see that as soon as the price above this line, and I can see still bullish is in control. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place my trade here, but before I placing my trade here, I need to work out where is my target. So target is here. So now I'm going to see my risk and reward here to here on about, let's say, 40 pips, and if I'm going to close below this price here, that's my stop loss here. So you can see, and that's basically 10 pips. So this is good risk and reward ratio. So I'm going to place my order here, and my first target is here. So when the first target hits, either I'm going to close my trade, or I can move my stop loss break even, or I can partial my close and move the rest of the break even. And here, but you can see the total movement is around about 70 pips. So it's very good alert here. Now I'm going to go and check the previous alert here. You can see this previous alert is saying go down. So but as you see that everything is in alignment, if you look at here, that everything is in alignment, but the price is rejected into daily pivot point level, and the price is not below than that. So I just completely ignore this signal. Right, again the previous one here, you see everything is in alignment, but I'm not going to jump into straight trade. I have to analyze, make sure my profit risk and reward ratio is matched, and I'm sure basically I can get a smooth ride. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to analyze it. Let me show you how I'm going to analyze. First of all, I'm going to see if anything trend line or support and resistance. Yes, there is a trend line here. You can see there's a trend line here, and you can see there's a daily pivot points breakout. And second, the most important thing, you can see everything is green, green, green. So it makes me perfect sense. Okay, now if I'm going to take this trade, okay, where's my target? My target is here. My first target is here. My second target is going to be here. Right, so my second target is here. Okay, where will be my stop loss? Stop loss normally take below the previous candle, so that's going to be like here, like 20 pips. And my first target is going to be 45 pips. So as soon as I reach my first target, so either I can close my trade or I can move my break even. But if you can see, the whole big movement is going to be around about 70 pips. It's a very nice, cool alert. The previous one say go long, but you can see that the two indicator is is matched, but the third one is red, so I just completely ignore this one. Okay, the previous one is saying go down, so okay, the trend is color is red, but the trade is not red and the volume is red, so I've just completely ignored this trade. Basically I'm not going to take that chance. And the previous one, if you see here, and first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to support and resistance line, but you can see there's a daily pivot point, and definitely I would trade if the price go below this pivot point, because I can see all the indicators in alignment. And where is my target? So my target is, first target is going to be this one, and the first target is going to be this one, which is monthly support level 3, which is going to, because most of time price basically respect these levels. And the other one is this one. So if you look at my risk and reward ratio, my trade is going to be below my previous candle is going to be 22 pips, and my target is around about 50 pips. It's a good trade, so I'm going to take a trade here, 50 pips. Then again I can move, I can manage my trade, break even, or I can just take profit. But I give you another tip here, because all these monthly and weekly resistance and support and pivot points, price always respect, right? So but if you want to trade, you can trade, you can take another few pips here, like 20 pips, and you can say that's your trend line, 58 pips, again pivot points trade. But in this strategy basically I just follow the signals. I hope you understand how to analyze the market using flex strategy. This is a very powerful and profitable strategy. This is the only one pair. We have the system which scan all the major pairs, so whenever there is a potential trade setup according to this strategy, you will see that alert in the member area dashboard. The aim of this strategy is to generate more than 20 pips, and there are 5 indicators are used in this strategy. Number 1, flex resistance and pivot point. Number 2 is a flex pointer. Number 3, flex trend. Number 4, flex trade. Number 5, flex volume. The flex pointer, the white arrow basically indicates the major trend change, and the yellow arrow indicates the pullback and reversal. And you can download these indicators including template from member area. And the best time frame to trade with this strategy is 15 minutes, and the best session is to let London open until New York close. And please avoid before and after 30 minutes of high impact news releases. And very important thing is always add additional support and resistance line, including trend line, to measure risk and reward ratio before consider taking any trade. And for more strategies and potential trade setup alerts, please join forexeasytrades.com. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Wish you all the best.